Well, just you can see that was the Eurocopter AS.355-F2 we've just seen come over anyway, this afternoon anyway. Just you can see that was the PLM dollar-grip helicopter we've just seen came over this afternoon anyway. Obviously now, because of this time, we're now back to the PLM dollar-grip helicopter anyway, since after the week before we only seen the network rail helicopter last time ago. Obviously because of since the week before, just over 2 weeks, since over the last the week before, we've only seen the network rail last time ago, which I think the registration was GNTWK, I think it was, that we saw last time, since over 2 weeks anyway. Obviously now, because of this time, we're now back to the PLM dollar-grip helicopter apparently, which is the Eurocopter AS.355-F2 we've just seen today apparently. And as you can see with the registration G-PDGP we've just seen came over today apparently. So the registration was G-PDGP we've just seen today apparently. And as you can see with the call sign PDG60 we've just seen came over today apparently. So yeah, which as you can tell, he's only just been like hovering around anyway. He's been circling around anyway. As you can tell, he's currently just been circling around anyway. As you can tell, he's just only done one loop just over Budok and then one just over Mabe anyway. So yeah, which as you can see, he flew here just about 10,000 feet anyway, which then he went for a loop anyway. Just over there, as you can see, it's passed over Budok water, and then just from here, when we saw it, he was literally just around 900 to 11,000 feet anyway. So yeah, which as you can see, it just came into about at least 10,000 feet I suppose anyway, and especially 900 feet anyway. So yeah, hopefully it should be going to Newquay Airport, I believe, very soon. No, but very soon it should be going over to Newquay Airport anyway. So yeah, which I think is by the time it should be going to Newquay Airport anyway. So yeah, obviously because of tomorrow, obviously because of tonight it's staying over there anyway, but obviously it's staying over at Newquay Airport tonight anyway, which obviously then tomorrow it carries on doing training anyway. So yeah, especially we'll do the rest of the training in Cornwall tomorrow anyway. So yeah, especially this just came from all the way from Birmingham Airport this morning anyway. And yeah, and this is when, because at the time it took off from Duxwell Airfield this afternoon, it did. So yeah, but as you can see right now, he's probably now heading over to Newquay Airport, I believe anyway, which I believe is probably should be going over there very soon anyway, probably heading over to Newquay Airport anyway. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.